Welcome guys to another session of Automation 360, and in today's session we'll be looking at Boolean package. Okay, so I have just type in Boolean in the action option, action palette, and we got the actions available inside a Boolean package. So let's get started with this. So assign action allows you to assign a value, assign a Boolean value. So we'll use assign and in the variable value you can hold you can assign a constant value as well as variable value. So if you assign a constant value, so boolean are mostly used for true and false, so you can assign true or either false. If you want to have that value variabilized, you can use a variable value as well. We'll go with the constant value and we'll create one of the variable. Let's say boolean flag. It's not needed, like BLN is not needed. Just I am following some naming convention just to identify it's a Boolean type of variable, but it's not needed. Okay, so it's of type Boolean and we are creating a Boolean variable. So now this Boolean variable has a value of true. Okay, and then if you want to compare two Boolean values, you can use this action. Let me create another Boolean variable from here. Okay, this time I'll use is admin. Okay, and let's assign a default value of false to it. So now is admin has a false value. BLN it also has a default value of false, but we have assigned it as a true here. Okay, now let's go back to action and let me compare these two values. So first boolean is BLN flag and second boolean variable is admin. So we need to assign output to the third variable. For time being, let's create one another temp variable which will hold a value, and it is a number variable. So let me give it a name as a value. So this will hold the value. So if the both variables matches, it will hold value as 0, otherwise it will hold value as 1. Okay, so let's compare these and hold the value, and let's print this value in a message box. Let me type message box over here. Okay, go back to boolean package, and in message box we'll be printing value type variable. But as you know, the value is number variable, and in message box we need only string, so I need to convert it to string. So let's run this. It's getting deployed to the machine, and in few seconds we'll be able to see the output. So here we got 1, which was expected, because both the values are different, like one is true and one is false. So let me assign false to it and then again run it. This time it should give me 0. So that in this way you can use compare to action command for comparing two Boolean values. So 0. Okay, cool. Let's move to other action. So then we have equal to. So it equal to is basically uh, it again checks both the Boolean variables are equal and assigns the result to another Boolean variable. So equal to package, if you want to use it, you can here use it here. Like the first Boolean variable would be BLN flag, second will be admin. Select the Boolean variable to store the result. So it checks whether two variables are equal and assign the result to this another Boolean variable. So for that purpose you can use it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And for invert is like converts true to false, like vice versa. So you can invert the values basically. If your variable was true, it will assign false. If it was false, basically as a switch statement, you can use this invert action. I'll delete this. And then we have a two number action and two string. So basically two number just converts your boolean to a number type of variable. So again, if it is false, it will convert it to 0. Sorry, if it is true, it will convert into 0, and it will convert it to 1, and false, so it will be converted to 0. Okay. So this is a value type variable which we just created for our use case. So pretty simple. ToString will just convert this into a string variable. So that's all, guys, for Boolean package. If you have any concerns, you can comment your questions below this video. I hope you like this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.